The best way to get better at programming is to practice. In this example, we're going to look at nested if statements. As always, this sample file is available for download using the link in the description below. You can pause this video and then resume it to check your answer against what we had. Okay, so let's go ahead and check what we're supposed to do. First, we're going to need to check to see if they've chosen a car, and then we're going to need to check to see what their weekly salary is. So we're going to start off with chosen. This is going to be an input statement. Next, we're going to see what a weekly salary is. And because of this, we're going to need to use a number. Now, not everyone gets paid in a solid integer amount, so we're going to use the float command to take our input and convert it to a number. Now we'll take a quick if statement. If chosen, and we'll check to see if the uppercase. This way, if they put in a lowercase, it's still going to work. It just makes it a little bit easier for the end user. Now, if they've chosen a car, now we're going to check to see, do they qualify based upon their weekly salary. If salary is greater than or equal to 500. So now we need an else statement. Else this else statement obviously goes with the if statement about the salary. But I can also have an else statement for the chosen. So notice that the else goes on the same level as the if, which is referencing. And you can see that there. Now we want to test this. We have some sample inputs that we can try. So have we chosen a car? Yes. Notice I'm all lowercase right here. What's my weekly salary? 600. My loan was still approved because it took my input and it raised it to an uppercase value. Have I chosen my car? Yes. Weekly salary. Let's put in that's not enough. So 324. Notice my loan was denied. One more time. Have I chosen a car? No. What's my weekly salary? I make enough, but notice I must have chosen my car first, so my loan was denied. This just gave us a couple ways to test it, and it works just as we would expect. Are there other ways of writing this if statement? Why, yes, there is. And for example, we may choose to not check for the salary unless they've already chosen a car. Because if they haven't chosen it, it doesn't matter what they make. And so how we organize our information, how we organize our data is going to be very much up to us. And it's just going to allow us to make it a little bit more user-friendly potentially. So think about those types of things as you're programming. What makes it the best way for the end user to use as well as you to write and maintain your code? There's other examples that you can use for practice in future videos.